Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be introducing to you my latest plugin called SuffixSlayer. Simply put, SuffixSlayer is a free plugin that you can access from the composition SuffixSlayer menu, and what it allows you to do is automatically detect and remove any of the frame suffixes exported from an image. The plugin allows you to disable or enable it, and that's all you have to do. Now it will be listening in the background to look for any renders of individual frames. So if I go ahead and reduce the length of this composition here to 1 frame and add it to the render queue, make sure that I'm using an image format, and then we'll see the iconic hashtag suffix, which After Effects will use as a frame number. In your actual codec settings, you can choose to use the comp frame number that you have to render or the starting number, and it supports using both the comp frame number as well as starting at 0. And as you know, if you render this image out, it's going to export the image, but it's going to apply this somewhat annoying suffix with the frame number. This may be something you want, so you can always disable SuffixSlayer, but if it's something that you don't want, enable SuffixSlayer just with 1 click, render out your image, and now your image will have that suffix removed. This seems like a super simple idea, and it is. It was actually rather tough to execute and make it future-proof and efficient and fast. But this is something I've always found annoying in After Effects. I do a lot of image exports out of After Effects, sometimes individual frames, and nothing bugs me more than having to go in and rename all of my files. SuffixSlayer, like I said, only will work for individual frames. So if you do, like in this case, have a longer sequence that you want to export as an image and hit render, it's going to respect that you're exporting an image sequence because you may need to actually have those suffixes. So in the case that it's longer than 1 frame, SuffixSlayer will ignore it so that you have all of the data you need to recombine that into a video afterwards. But if you want to, you can enable it to remove the suffix of an individual image export. And this plugin doesn't just work with 1 render at a time. You can add as many as you want to your render queue, and it's going to listen for them. And SuffixSlayer is really just there to be always on or off, listening for when you have individual frames that you want to export. You can add as many as you want, render them out, and then see that all of your suffixes have been removed or slayed. So just a really cool utility tool. The idea came to me randomly. I'll make another video about the whole kind of process because it's actually kind of complicated in the back end, and you can check that out when it comes out. Make sure you check out the product down below in the description where you can download it for free. You can also name your own price in order to basically donate if you think it's a cool tool and you'd like to contribute. But thank you for watching this video. We'll see you next time.